Instagram has added a new feature allowing users to add GIFs to their Instagram notes. Want to try it out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to share GIFs on Instagram notes. Now let's get started. To get access to this feature, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. To share a GIF on Instagram notes, open Instagram and tap the message icon in the bottom menu. Then tap Your Note at the top. Tap the GIF button. Now you can browse the Giphy library or search for something specific to find a fun GIF you want to share. Tap a GIF to add it to your note. You can add a short comment to go with it if you like. You can choose if you want to share your note with your Instagram friends who follow you back, or only your close friends list. Then tap Share to post your note. Your note will be visible to the audience you've selected when they open their Instagram messaging tab. Your friends can tap your note to view the GIF you've posted and read any comment you've added along with it. That's all it takes to share GIFs on Instagram Notes. Want to share music on Notes? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.